My name is Justice Muniz. I'm really doing everything right now. I don't really have one specific thing. Deal with the skid steer quite a bit up at Plant 1. Now I'm trying to figure out how the plant works, sounds weird, but how civilian life works around the machinery. I was in the Army, actually.
Okay.
So I found Heather through one of the VA voc rehab things.
Okay.
So I got in that way.
Excellent.
So I just came out of the Army not too long ago, about a year and a half ago now. Well, I was going on Indeed a lot trying to find another job because I like construction. It's just, I've done it for so long now. Even before the Army, I did it with my stepfather. It's just kind of something that hits me and I enjoy it. Met with Heather. We talked a lot about my experience and everything like that. She was telling me that she talked to Bill and we go about it and tell me like what the position was, and I did quite a bit of research and found out what Colas was and Barrett and where they are. And
what has surprised you the most so far about what you've been doing, about your internship, your position?
How nice people are about everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if I need help or don't understand, like, okay, what is going on here?
Yeah.
Someone will just turn around and be like, okay, here, let's go. Just kind of follow them and they'll help me out.
What's been your favorite experience so far?
There's always something new going on here. Always something new. It's not like I'm doing the same thing every day.
Right.
I'm moving around, I'm going to a different plant, I'm using the sweeper, the water truck, skid steer, moving around, trying to figure out what other people are doing. I mean, I had to do tickets one day because the machine broke, so I had to figure out like all the trucking stuff and how Plant 1 actually works.
If you could think of one person or a couple people in the company that you've looked up to or that have inspired you or that have kind of helped lead you during your time here, who would it be and why?
George, my foreman. He's awesome. He's always trying to help me figure out what I can do, what my strong suits are and everything, and kind of just throw me in there when I need it, or make sure like I'm always going and I don't have to be, I guess, bored per se, because I never am.
Always busy.
Tommy, he's awesome. Love Tommy. He's been teaching me so much stuff. Everything about Plant 1, how all the machines work. The other one's probably Mike. He works down at Plant 2. Okay. He's my peer. And he's taught me the sweeper, how to do the water truck, pretty much what to stay away from so that it doesn't end up bad. A lot of the safety and everything like that, kind of telling me like I can talk to other people, like it's not a bad place to be like, hey, I need help or something. Like, actually ask people and they will help me.
How is our safety culture different from previous experiences?
Very safety oriented, like always hard hat, always the glasses, always gloves, the vest, bright colors, always watching out. It's kind of just pay attention, know where you are, what's around you.
How has your position here helped you grow as a professional, or just in this industry? How do you feel it's helped you grow in what you want to do?
I think it's helped me learn a lot more. Learn that construction isn't just equipment, it's learning what's around you, learning different aggregates, learning how everything works and like how the wrap is and where it comes from and different things like that. So it teaches me a lot that I just was kind of like, okay, we use big machines and run around all day.